Imagine walking into your dream home, a house designed entirely by artificial intelligence, from the layout to the lighting, even the furniture arrangement and garden space. This isn't sci-fi anymore. This is happening right now. Welcome to Quantum Nudge, the future nudged into now. In today's video, we'll uncover how AI is revolutionizing home design, who's doing it best, and how you might get your next home designed by a machine smarter than any human architect. For decades, designing a home was a complex collaboration between architects, engineers, and interior designers. But AI is changing all that. Why? Because AI can process millions of data points faster than any human. It can evaluate sunlight patterns, traffic flow, environmental impact, personal preferences, and budget constraints, all in seconds. AI doesn't just follow rules. It learns from thousands of successful designs and optimizes them for comfort, sustainability, and aesthetics. Several platforms are already doing this. Let's take a look. 1. Maket.ai. Give it your site's dimensions and your style preference, and it gives you custom architectural floor plans in minutes. 2. Autodesk Forma, an AI-powered tool that architects use to simulate wind, daylight, and energy use before construction even begins. 3. Space Designer 3D allows you to visualize and tweak your floor plan in real time, powered by AI assistants. These tools don't just save time, they supercharge creativity and minimize costly errors. Here's how it works. Step 1. You input your requirements: size, number of rooms, preferred style, materials, and even your budget. Step 2. The AI accesses a vast database of architectural knowledge, zoning regulations, environmental data, and human design preferences. Step 3. It generates multiple options, each one optimized for functionality, beauty, energy efficiency, and cost. Step 4. You review, tweak, and finalize, all within a few clicks. The result? A design that might have taken a human team weeks, now done in minutes. Like every innovation, AI in home design has its pros and cons. Pros: speed and efficiency, lower design costs, optimized layouts, eco-friendly solutions. Cons: lack of human touch in emotional design, dependence on data quality, limited creativity in unconventional styles. The ideal solution? A collaboration between human architects and AI. The machine does the heavy lifting, while the human refines the art. In Tokyo, architects used AI to design compact, smart homes that adapt to tiny plots. In California, a sustainable housing company lets users co-create homes with AI assistance, tailored to solar exposure and energy savings. In Europe, luxury homes are now being designed by AI to balance aesthetics with green living, down to the placement of windows for maximum sunlight. We're no longer just building houses. We're building intelligent living systems. In the future, you won't just choose your house. You'll co-create it with AI. Smart design, smart construction, even smart adaptation. Homes that evolve as your lifestyle changes. AI won't replace architects. It will augment them, giving every person, regardless of budget, a chance to live in a space that feels truly theirs. The homes of tomorrow are already being designed today. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the AI design future, hit the like button, subscribe to Quantum Nudge, and don't forget to nudge the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and stay ahead.